Wow, the world is ending, huh? Covering more here.
Again, yeah.
The world is ending. Wow, IWM is boom.
Yeah, no love enough for IWM, that's for sure.
The world is ending.
Getting a pullback on the indexes. It's kind of due for a pullback anyway. We're trying to hold MO with the view up. I think it's going to start to roll over again here.
Oh, after we just dropped 420. No love.
No love on 420.
No love on 420.
Terrible.
All right, so I'm done with my day. I had a pretty good day thanks to NIO. So I still have 5,000 shares of NIO short. And I have this holding this TNA, which is down $76,000 unrealized. And that's the worst thing about trading, stock market is the volatility. I was having a chat with my friend that when you're buying a house, there is no volatility. Every year you get that statement that okay, my house is valued at this much. But when you're holding something like TNA that is leveraged and every day just up and down, that makes it a little bit stressful. Like in general, investing in the financial market is just the volatility drives you crazy. And if you can handle that, so I'm gonna hold this. TNA. Hopefully, adding more a little bit. If it keeps dropping, I might add more on it. IWM is really beaten up, man. Oof. Hopefully it's coming back. So shorting this NIO as well, and I think NIO has still room to go down. And tonight I'm gonna talk about trading NIO. So elite members, guys, tonight Peter and I are gonna talk about how we trade one single stock and what we learned from it, the advantages and disadvantages on that. So yeah, other than that, we're just holding this TNA and see how this TNA is gonna bounce. Sorry, the NIO is gonna bounce. In the daily chart, what I have on the NIO is, it might bounce back from here, or I just leave it and see what it does. So let's make it actually a recap. So because I'm recording. So Brian, what did you do?
Yeah.
Mo eventually popped up. You did take a really nice trade on Mo. Yeah. You did go long here.
Other than that, I did take a at his Rising Devil. I didn't make a lot of money on it just because, but I had to add to it. So other than that, I traded Fisker with you, and that was
Fisker, the FSR. Yeah, FSR gave us a little bit of hard time. I eventually made money on it, but it was an opening range breakdown a couple of times on it. So the first time popped up, sold. This time I let it pass through my point, came up, didn't do anything here, and then this was the one that I made money, and then after that came back again long, popped up, sold, break even, and a little bit of it passed away and passed my entry point. And after that it just keeps losing it. Like Tesla was also really good for me. Tesla was really good because I also made money on short. So Tesla started running up for the good news and the pullback I bought, and then I got this move from 725. I think I got to stop that once, and then after that moved up all the way up to 732, and apparently by mistake I got short here, and then I covered it in this pullback. So that was like a parabolic reversal type that Ayman is doing, but it was just all pure luck. Generally that was it. Fisker and NNDM I lost. NNDM I also lost on it.
I made some money.
Yeah, this was I went long at 765.
I think I got in a little bit before you did.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, at the open I went long. This one is only 3,000 shares. I made like $500 just this pop, and then I missed the whole move. Then I kind of chased it here with a bigger size, and I lost on it. All right, so this is it for me. What time is it? Yeah, 10 minutes to my time. After this is I think Norm is gonna come, or John. I think it's John. And so tonight webinar, guys, let's actually get
It's
into Bearable Traders
normal
webinar
beyond
page. So here it is. So go to the webinar page, all the elite members, guys. I'm going to send an email to everyone too. So we have how to actively day trade only a single stock or index. This one is actually OR. So case study for AMD and NIO. I'm going to help Peter tonight. So it's going to be recorded. And yeah, so looking forward to see you all, guys. Thank you so much. Ciao.